First time this car has been out of the garage in probably 10 years. Was Saturn yellow, it is now sunrise red. Drop spindles 2.5 inch. Interior is eventually going to get done, but not on the money, not on the priority right now too. Need the engine to be put in, the brakes to be done. Got the Dan Gurney rims. Took off the pad, the dash pad, sealed up all the holes. I have all the AC venting, or the venting inside for the fresh air system. Formulating steering wheel. Here is the engine. Here's the back. Dual Kadron carbs. 1679. Dual carbs, 1.3 or 1 3/8 inch exhaust with heat system. The fuel pump I resell. Switch from a generator to an alternator. God, I am desperately wanting to drive this car. Just need to figure out where to mount the coil, and the engine can go back into the car. Oh, a year and 5 months worth of work. All I need to do is sand the fenders, color sand the fenders, put them back on, put the engine in, brake system, I'm done.